I received an email from Kove last week that said that they had a factory issue, some kind of an issue with the air filters that were shipped out with the first batch of Koves here to the U.S. So they sent me a new air filter. So I thought I'd take this opportunity to go ahead and show how to change the air filter on the Kove 800x. Someone in the comments asked how to do that. So really quickly, just a real short video. All you're going to want to do is take the four bolts off from this plastic cover, and then there's a piece in the middle that you just pop up. And once you get that out, that's the little piece that kind of fits down into that hole there. And then there's a T25 Torx bolt right here, and you just have to turn it to where you can get this little metal tab out of the way, because the metal tab would be facing this way. And then you just pull up on here, and there's your air filter. Not sure exactly what's wrong with this one. I did see on one of the sides it kind of bows out a little bit right here, so I think maybe that's not making a good seal, and that's why they sent us the new ones. But yeah, just take this one off, put the new one on, and then just do everything in reverse. Thanks for watching.